Yamaha has finally officially announced the presence of complementary accessories for the XSR900 to become a complete retro classic motorbike. This was announced by Yamaha Europe with the main focus of the launch in London, England. Quoted from Down, the latest generation of the XSR900 is included in the heritage sport motorbike category with classic styles, including the front fairing and seat covers, which will make the XSR900 look truly classic. With a standard appearance that carries the cafe racer style, some consumers still see the XSR900's classic aura as lacking. However, this has been heard by the Hamamatsu manufacturer through the launch of an accessory kit to add a retro impression. The first element of the kit is the headlamp fairing, which, constructed from fiberglass and reinforced plastic, will completely surround the headlights, magically making the XSR900 into a 250 and 500cc Grand Prix racing bike in the 70s. Then, as a complement, there is a rear seat cover kit, which is rigid in a square shape, giving a unique cafe racer style wasp tail sensation. Not without reason, the boxy shape itself is a direct adoption of the legendary Yamaha Grand Prix racing motorbike, the TZ350. For this one accessory, of course, the user has to give up that his motorbike cannot carry passengers on a pillion. The two accessory kits also come with paint colors that match the two available XSR900 colors, namely Midnight Black and Legend Blue. Apart from the announcement, Yamaha itself will only start releasing this accessory from June 2023 at a price that is also still undisclosed. The Yamaha XSR900 itself is a naked motorbike that carries an engine with a capacity of 890cc, with a maximum power of 119 HP and torque of up to 93 N. As a classic-style motorbike, the features provided by Yamaha on the XSR900 include modern features with the 6-axis inertial measurement unit (IMU). This feature will assist the rider in controlling slide control, traction control, and wheelie control.